you guys been here before?
No.
No.
Awesome, welcome. The fire's on, hot apple cider, hot chocolate, wreaths, that kind of stuff. You good to go?
All right, thank you.
Thanks, enjoy.
Let's just hope I don't hit anyone. What'd you get for Christmas? A lawsuit.
Hello, I am Lumberjack Lee Skinny, and today on 3 Minutes Gone, we are cutting down our Christmas tree at the Alouette Christmas Tree Farm.
And that's 3 minutes gone.
What up, spirit of Christmas?
So one of our Christmas traditions is to go cut down your own tree.
So this is a very special, what we like to call the first experimental donkey. So you can see it's got a nice, lovely eye. But then if you look on the other side, and try to bite my hand there. See, there's a defense mechanism. Look, he's got a cyborg eye.
Nobles and Frasers have been known to last the longest.
Okay.
And they'll hold their needles a lot better.
Okay, that's
but
important.
Another Joe.
They all look the same. You're...
That looks pretty full, about the right height. Its branches go up now, so when we put ornaments on, it'll probably come down, but it's a nice looking tree.
The most important, obviously, of a tree is that you can fit all my presents under.
It's really bushy all the way around, and it's just so lovable.
Pull. Now you push. Now pull.
Trying.
Actually, I think I like this tree over here better.
Oh my god.
That's 12 minutes gone.
Push, pull, push, pull. Push it, come on. Yeah, pushing it. Now push. Timber.
Wait, that is the tree.
Zoe and Emma versus Christmas tree. Zoe and Emma 1, Christmas tree 0.
Yeah.
Yep.
Here, stomp it.
Lumberjack.
Down so well.
That's 3 minutes on our tree cutting family tradition. I'm Skinny, 3 minutes gone.
And that's 3 minutes gone.